The anaphylaxis kits come with the auto-injectors, but it's important to check them. And first off, when you get it arriving, you need to take the auto-injectors out of the cardboard boxes, but leave them in the plastic tubes. The plastic tubes are there to protect the auto-injector to make sure it's not accidentally fired or damaged. So you want to take them out of the cardboard boxes, and if you have a look through on the cardboard box, it will have the serial number and the date, but also it's accurate to check the actual injector itself. So if you can't see through the plastic casing, you can just flip the top of the plastic protective case, open it up, and then once it's open, you can see the expiry date and also the serial number. So it's worth noting those down. And on the ID card as well, the check card, you can write down the expiry dates on there, because you want to make sure that you know when an expiry date is happening so that you can get a new product in before the old one has then expired. Also, there's the window you can check to see that the unit's ready to use. So that's always good to check on all of the units, and you do this on your regular checks as well. Then also have just a general look over, make sure that it's not damaged or anything, there's no problems with it. On the other side, you'll see the instructions. So the simple step-by-step instructions on how to use the auto-injector. If you're using the EpiPen or using the Jet systems, they'll have different instructions. So you've got to make sure that you understand those instructions. And if you're doing training courses with us, then all those different types of auto-injector are detailed, and how to use them are detailed onto the actual unit. So once you've got that, check it, make sure that everything's there in place, make sure that you've worked out how you're going to mount the kit on the wall, either with the back mounting bracket, which is probably the best way, or you can screw the unit to the wall as well if you need to, if that was easier for you. Make sure you locate it in a place which is where people know where it is, and also it's very easily accessible. Trying to lock it away somewhere, because every second counts with anaphylaxis. You need to get it as soon as possible. When you're putting the auto-injectors into the box, make sure you put them on the right side. There's the adult and the child side, so make sure you put them in the right side, don't mix them up, because in an emergency, people are just going to grab that side. And yes, they should be checking the unit before they inject the child, but it's best to put them in the right place just in case there's any errors there. Once you're happy the units are inside the box and it's all ready, close it up, take one of the tamper-proof seals and just poke that through the hole in the handle and then through the main tab, pull it tight. And if you have a look on the tamper-proof label, you'll see a number on that. It's worth noting that number down as well to say that you've done your check, you've checked everything. So even if someone has used it, you can then look on your next inspection to make sure the tamper-proof number is still there. It's not that someone has opened it up, used it, and put a different tag on it. Once that's all done, all set, then pop it up and make sure that it's in a good place to use it, and then make sure that everyone knows where that anaphylaxis kit is stored.